Welcome you all. My name is Sangeet. Students, today we are going to discuss the answers of previous video as well, right? And this is a chapter number 5 in which I'm going to tell you a few SQL commands, and it is a hardcore practical session. Students, don't try to miss this session. It is very important. As you know that usually I discuss about the learning objective before we proceeding for other slides. Students, what I believe that you are enabled to handle all these commands, I believe, right after this video, and you are quite familiar with SQL platform as well, right? And you are enabled to start thinking like the table, data types as well, right? And many more things. Understood? Let's go ahead with this. Students, what I wanted to tell you last time, in the last video, you had practiced all these commands, right? And in this video, we also practice existing command, which we had already practiced. We again will do it, right? Along with this, 4 more commands will practice, which you can see on screen, like delete, drop, select, and where. Understood? Students, let me tell you answers of previous video. Now, this was the table, order ID, first name, last name, salary, it was given, right? And I asked you to create table, right? And along with this, you can create all the records as well using insert command. Students, this this is the table, like worker. This this is the answer. This is the answer of like how you can create a table. This is what this format also you can use. Understood? Like order ID, integer. Understood? Now I'm going to tell you the practically this table. Let's move towards the SQL platform. Students, this is the SQL platform, and here you can see that this is the SQL platform. Understood? Now, what I told you to last time as well, if you forgot the name of your database, what you can say that the moment you are just sitting in front of computer and just type show databases. See, it is given, understood, and you can find your database and go ahead with the query. But I wanted to create new. What I'll be doing like create database, name of database, right? I can choose any, I can choose like work, right? Easy for you people. Entered. Query, okay. As I told you, query, okay indicates your query is perfectly fine. Now there is no problem at all. Go ahead. I want to use this now. Before I proceed, I just wanted to tell you this database name will be showing in this list. The moment again I'll be using the show databases command. See now, it is given work. Understood? Students, now what I want to create a table into it. What I have to do it? I need to I need to get into using use command. Use, what is the name? Work, right? Now, this is the table. I just copy from here. Just press key, see it is. Just press a right click. You will get, you can also, why I have used this technique to let you know, you can also copy paste your command from MS Word as well, from PowerPoint as well. Understood? That is also main function and purpose. Understand? And one more thing, this is the way we are saving our time as well, right? Now see, the query is okay, no problem at all. Now I want to see what show tables. One table. Where? In a work database, one table is given, which is worker. Now let's move. I want to insert the record. Let me go ahead again. Slides back. Yes, this is. I guess that you do not have any problem with this. That is the reason I'm going uh, very slow. Affected means record inserted. Second one, look at, yes, great. Two record are inserted. Now, students, I just need to press this one more method which I wanted to tell you, which is not given in your book. Just you press and press comma. If here, students, there are 8 record, you need to apply 8 commands of insert. But I want within one insert command, I can add as many as record. So for that purpose, this is the command which I'm going to show you, right? But this is not in a book, but for your extra knowledge, I just wanted to share with you. Here, students, you can see this is a record. But here again, I won't be using insert. I'll be using from here, right? Copy, and you can see this record will be inserted one more time. Second, right? See it is. I want here one more. I want to insert one more like this one, fourth record as well. I hope that I'm moving very slow, quite calm, so that my students can perform great. And I know that you all are the great people, right? Again, I can move next. Within one SQL command, I'll be inserting all the records till fifth, but there not be fifth. Two record will be a duplicate, right? Here I can use this. See, now I wanted to see how many records I have inserted. Students, the purpose which I am showing you from the slides, one more purpose is you should come to know this is also the way we can check our query. Understood? This is also a way we can check our query. Let me check, select star from a table name, like table name is worker. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five records I have just added on. In this table, there are 5 records. Students, now I told you about the select command. I introduced you select command. Select command is it is used for retrieving the data from the database. One more example, let me tell you. Star indicates all, but I do not want all. I just want order ID, right? And salary. Or let's take an example. I want first name and salary. What I have to do is select what I said. What did I say? First first name. I can students also do some mistakes, right? And suppose that's salary. But from table name is worker, right? Two fields I just wanted. See, I don't think so. Any doubt with this? Going quite slow. Maybe time of this video may be increased, right? I just want my students can do better. This is what the purpose is. All right. Any doubt with? I don't think so. Any more? Now next. That is how students a select command is also a used for, right? Right after all these commands, when we have practiced all, I also will let you know one more function, one more purpose, but this is not the right time to tell you, right? I don't want you to be mess up with all the commands. Understood? Now let's move towards our our delete command. Delete command for tables and all everything. I think you are quite familiar with. Now delete command is like delete students, where delete everything I'll be teaching you, right? You please try to concentrate at delete from table name worker. This is also the syntax. Delete from table name. Now where in your syllabus, where is also there, from is also there. From you have practice, right? See, this is a from you have used. Here also you have used. From means from source, from which where you are getting, right? Now I want, as I usually tell you, we are asking question to the database. This is my question. Delete from worker, right? Where whenever you are using where, you need to give the condition. This is for condition, right? My condition is where order ID is 2, means you need to delete that record where order ID is 2. But now you can see here two records are there. So what will happen? Again, surprise, like just like a horror movie. Understood? The both, but the both record will be deleted because this is a machine. Understood? Let me tell you where order ID. Order ID, as I told you, same you need to give. No more changes. Yes, if you type here, you can also delete by first name. You can also delete by last name. That is your choice. Understood? But if you give Verma, like you can see here, it is Verma, both the record will be deleted. Understood? Now, query OK. It means that this record is deleted. How I can check? Let me check. Select star from star, as I told you, all from table name is worker. Great. Oh, fine. Awesome it is. We do not have record second, right? I hope that till now you also understood where, from, and select. One more command is drop, but before moving ahead to drop, I just wanted to share one more example with you of where command. Students, I just wanted to delete a data where department is HR, right? Okay, one more time we can practice. No need to change. This is the syntax which you need to follow. Where department, department, department equal to, why Why I'm sharing with you this command again means one more example of delete. Last you had practiced for order ID integer data. Now see inverted commas and HR. For that, I believe that record 1 and 3 should be deleted as per the query, right? Delete from worker where department is equal to HR. Okay, let's see. Only to record the left. Understood? So this is the example of where for select as well. Students, now what I wanted is drop and delete you have practiced. But the last moment, I just want to tell you the difference between drop and delete as well. Let's see how. Delete, always use from, right? A source from where. Delete from table name. Table name is, you can say that worker, right? Query okay. It means that whole table is deleted. This command indicates that whole table is deleted. You can check. I just wanted to see we are already in, right, in a work database. Now I want to check where is my table worker. All right, let me check. Show tables worker it is, but I said it is deleted. This is what the student difference is between drop and delete. If you apply here drop, the table will be no more. It is showing here, right? If you apply drop, here you will find the answer empty. There is no table in this database. Let me tell you, but you can see desk work. Is this right? Yes, like desk or desk work. Where I am wrong? Yes. This thing also we should know that I have used database name. I need to use table name, right? Worker. This is the structure, means it is already exists. There is no problem at all. But what I want is now let me use drop. As I told you, the difference is you do not find structure even after applying drop. Syntax is drop table and table name is worker. Wonderful, right? And semicolon. Never miss. Drop table worker. Query okay. Now again, let me check. Show tables. Whenever you press show tables, it shows you answer of this particular database, right? Empty set, as I told you. So this is what the difference between delete and drop as well. Understood? Now I just want to show you show data bases. Our databases was work. It is showing out here. I want to delete the database as well. Drop database. Name of database is work. Students, did you find the difference? I am also telling you one more method to remember. In case of drop, use, if you're going to delete the database, use drop database, right? If you're going to delete the table, use drop table, as I can show you here. This is the syntax to remember. Now enter. Now let me see where is my databases. See, work databases is no more. And however, students, I have mentioned the answers in this video. If you have any problem with, right, I have also mentioned the answers as well of all these answers you can look into. right? I do not think so you have any problem with. In this video I also told you, right, the answers, as well as how you can use with the insert command single insert command and add n number of records, right? And one more method which is given in a book, like you can use insert command as many as time it indicates, means if you want to insert 5 records you need 5 insert command. And I told you one more method which is not given in your book, like insert command, single insert command can also store 5 records as well, or above that. Understood? I hope that, students, I hope that you would have enjoyed this session a lot. And I also like that I I knew that all of you are champion and you will do better. And let me come with a new video. Till then, take care. Have a great day ahead.